In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move the taskbar in Windows 11, center, top, left, right. Fix today here, let's begin. Start on your Windows 11 desktop, then right-click on any empty space on the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. If you prefer another way, click the Start button, open the Settings gear icon, then go to Personalization and select Taskbar. Both methods lead to the same settings page, so just choose what's more convenient for you. Once you're in the taskbar settings, you'll see all the available options in one place. Scroll down and click to expand the taskbar behavior section. Here, look for taskbar alignment, then open the drop-down menu and choose either center or left. As soon as you switch between them, you'll instantly see the taskbar icons move, so you can quickly decide which layout fits your preference. Now, if you want to move the taskbar beyond just center or left, like placing it at the top or on the sides, you'll need an alternative method. For that, open the Microsoft Store and search for an app called Start Allback. Select it from the results, then click Install or Get. While installing, your screen may briefly flash, which is normal as the app integrates with your system. Before installing, you can also scroll through the app's description, preview images, and even check the ratings and reviews to get a better idea of how it works. Once installed, go back to your desktop, right-click on an empty space on the taskbar, and select Properties. If that option doesn't show, just open the Start Allback settings directly. In the settings window, look at the left sidebar and click on the taskbar section. Now find the drop-down labeled taskbar location on screen. From here, you can choose left, top, right, or bottom, and your taskbar will instantly move to that position. After positioning it, you can also fine-tune other settings. For example, check the Combine Task Buttons option and choose how you want your apps to appear, whether always combined, only when the taskbar is full, never combined, or even never grouped at all. If you're using multiple monitors, there's also an option to adjust how the taskbar appears on secondary screens, so make sure to configure that as well if needed. You can also enable centered task icons and choose whether they stay together with the Start button or separate from it. As you toggle these options, take a moment to observe the changes so you can clearly see the differences. Lastly, feel free to explore additional customization settings like taskbar size or plumpness, segments, automatic hiding, and dynamic transparency to match your style. Once everything is set, your taskbar will be exactly where you want it, giving you a cleaner and more personalized workspace. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.